This afternoon, we are tracking some strong storms across the area. This is the view from our Savannah camera looking toward the Plant Riverside district. We do have a little bit of rain beginning to fall, but you can definitely see those gray clouds and the heavier rain off in the distance there. And actually, this cell that we were looking at over on the South Carolina side has prompted a flood advisory because of very heavy rainfall rates in excess of 1 and 2 inches per hour. So a flood advisory has been issued for portions of Jasper County and into Beaufort County. So this includes Bluffton, Sun City, Cook Landing, and even into Hardeeville along 170. Very heavy rain has fallen. 278 dealing with some very heavy rain, so might want to stay off the roadways until this is able to settle down. This cell is very slow moving, and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain certainly not out of the question. It is trying to move toward the coast, but it is also interacting with the sea breeze, so the atmosphere is really starting to wring itself out right over Bluffton, so that heavy rain is going to continue for a little while longer. Heavy rain setting up along Highway 21 in Effingham County, Springfield and Rincon. Guyton dealing with some of that heavier rain as well. Same thing for interior Jasper County for areas north of Ridgeland. A lot of lightning associated with that cell as well along 321. Hampton County not looking too bad at the moment, but there is a line coming in your direction. Not too impressive on the radar imagery, but it would be capable of producing some gusty wind as it does move into your area. Further inland over Candler County, Metter, we are dealing with some very heavy rain and intense cell just to the south of Metter. This would be likely producing some strong wind as well as it does push toward Pulaski and into Bullitt County. The radar is indicating some of those stronger winds as well. We'll have to keep an eye on that storm. A little bit of rotation being detected by Viper radar, but no tornado warning at the moment with that. Certainly, as we look further inland near Alamo, we do have some very heavy rain and intense cell that's moving toward Montgomery County, and that will be producing some strong wind and certainly some heavy rain as well. And these storm chances remain high as we head into the evening hours. Localized flooding is a concern, and also that possibility for damaging wind gusts with any of the storms that may turn severe. So we will be watching out for that over the next few hours. Once we lose the daytime heating, our thunderstorm chances will be diminishing, but our rain chances will remain with us as we head to around midnight or so. Overnight, conditions will start to dry out a bit for us, but looking ahead for Friday, more storms are expected. It'll be a little hotter and drier for the weekend with an unsettled pattern setting up for next weekend. So the stronger storms will start to diminish as the evening goes on, pushing off of the coast. Still a few stray showers possible for us as we do head into the overnight hours, but tomorrow morning largely starting off dry, but then it's in the afternoon when those scattered showers and storms will begin to set up for us again, and some of those will be able to produce some very heavy rain and thunderstorm activity. 75 for the low temperature for tonight. Evening storms will continue, and then for tomorrow, unsettled but a little drier and a little hotter for the weekend, as hot as 96 degrees for Saturday, or excuse me, on Sunday. As we head into next week, conditions will get a little rainier again, and they'll help to keep those temperatures in check with those highs in the lower 90s. That's looking at your forecast for now. Tina, over to you.